Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the RSI I Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI I Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 36 different strategies, with 10 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 453 indicators, with 187 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the RSI I Indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did go in and make a slight modification, and that is to these crosses here, the plots. Crosses, I went in and I bumped up the weight of those just a little bit so you can see them a little bit clearer. And the setup on this is when we get a red cross, we are going to go short. When we get a green cross, we are going to go long. So not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so our first signal we pick up right here is a short signal. You can see that one gets us to take profit pretty easily there as it drops down pretty quick there. This is a pretty quick drop to the downside. And then here we pick up another short, again getting us to take profit as we take this little bump to the downside there. Then we pick up this long over here on this side right here. Unfortunately, this one does get us stopped out as price action tries to push up, but then ends up pulling its way to the downside there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so here we pick up along this one and we get a little bit of a pullback right here, but then price is able to overcome that pullback to the downside and push its way back up, getting us to take profit. Then we get this short signal right here. You can see that we get a correction, a pullback in the market right here, almost stopping us out. Got relatively close, but then price action is able to overcome that and push its way back to the downside, once again getting us to take profit. Then here we pick up this long right here, but price action almost immediately reverses and takes a tumble down. That one got us stopped out. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance on multiple different time frames. They show exactly where they're entering trades, taking profits, exiting trades, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we've tested. It shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, which shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And one new thing that we've been doing recently is our admin Rob has been posting everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to his scanner, he will post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. And so there is a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and count out our signals here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have, 12 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 trades, 8 winning trades in total. And so that is going to get us to the 60% criteria. Not a bad indicator. Gave us a fairly reasonable amount of trades in 1 year's time. Definitely could have given us a little bit more, but all in all, it was pretty solid. Gave us signals mostly when it needed to. A few of them we missed just barely by hitting a take profit, and then price ended up going the direction we wanted it to. But yeah, all in all, like I said, not a bad indicator. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.